Since I showed you some customer cars, here's another one. This one I actually worked on last year. We put a rebuilt motor in it. It's a factory motor. Well, I should mention, by the way, it's a 1967 Skylark, Buick Skylark. Came in here where the motor was overheated and it was shot. So, had the motor rebuilt, put it in, ended up replacing the factory ST300 transmission, which is a 2-speed. We put a TH350 in it, a Buick bolt pattern one, because the trans was shot as well once we got the motor running. Here's the interior for you. Didn't do anything on the outside of it, just the motor. Here is the motor, just in time for the neighbor to start the leaf blower. But this is a Buick 300, not a very commonly known motor. But this was one of the sizes that this engine came in. It was like the intermediary engine between the nailhead and then basically the standard Buick V8, which was like the 350, 455, all them. These came in a 300, a 340, and a 430. So yeah, this actually is just a 300 even. It's 2-barrel engine, even though it says 310 on the air cleaner. Buick marketed their motors not in cubic inches or horsepower, but in the foot-pounds of torque. That's what they were trying to aim to get out there as their number of choice. But this motor was rebuilt by my buddy at Aaron Moyer Racing Engines. Just stock rebuild, nothing special. Stock cam, everything, stock carburetor, stock intake. Did the old paint job on it, cleaned up everything. It's here right now. We just put a new power steering pump on it. There was a new one on it, but it went bad by another garage. I'm not sure what the reasoning was. I don't think it was any of their fault. I think it was just a defective pump. Put an aluminum radiator in it. It's stock 4-wheel drum, manual brakes. Nothing really to speak of. Here, I'll start it up for you. Let's see if it acts like it wants to be a good carburetor today. Nope. There we go. It's we put a Summit Racing like generic 2¼ inch exhaust for a Chevelle on it, and then I just made like the head pipes up to the motor because they wouldn't fit because they were for a Chevy. But this is the same thing as a Chevelle, so from the engine back it's the same. See, it runs pretty good. Like I said, it's 100% stock. Still has points ignition, has an externally regulated alternator, stock carburetor, everything. See how that turns out here. Yeah, there you go. Just another vehicle I worked on. Figured I would show some of the more interesting things that we do here.